Hey guys, what's up? It's Javier Garcia, your local roofer. I'm going to show you what we got going on today. We're doing a tile roof relay. We're lifting up our tile. Dun, dun, dun. Show you what it looks like on the rest of the roof as well. There's our tile that we're stacking. So we're going to go ahead and lift up the section of this roof all the way down the valley, past another 4 feet past the valley. Behind this chimney right there as well. We're going to go with synthetic underlayment, 50-year titanium. If you're not ready for the winter, click on the link below and I'll see you soon. Have a blessed day, guys.